it down.
Lovely, lovely. Boy, what is going on, people? Welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm absolutely buzzing. We're going to, I can't remember where I'm going. Bicester, or if you're African, Bicester. We're going there to pick up Maxton Design Splitter and side skirts. And I'm so excited to be collecting this. But yeah, unfortunately, oh, that's a bit bright. Unfortunately, it's in matte black. And as you might know, if you've watched that video of the rear spoiler, I've gone for the gloss. So I'm going to do one more bit after, actually 2 more bits to the exterior, and then we're going to be going for some power and handling and track days and more power. But yeah, we've got to take it down to Dub. So that's the lovely bros down at Dub, top guys, done loads of work with them. So they're going to wrap that in a gloss black for me. But yeah, like literally to get those 2 parts, I'm not gonna lie, they are used. Nothing wrong with it, used equipment. But yeah, so it's coming in matte black. Wrap it in gloss black, and then stick it on the car. But yeah, guys, chat to you in a bit. I'm just going to drop this one in there. We're going to get straight into the video after. There's going to be no more like B-roll and all of that. But have you guys ever bought something from somebody and had to like do cash on collection? Have you ever wondered what would happen like if it was an ambush, if it was a trap, and like you get there and there's like 10 men just like, get in the van, give me the vehicle. Like, what would you do? Like, obviously, I'm not going to get in the van. Obviously, someone's going to get knocked out. Obviously.
There's a grin from White, but the legs are betraying him, and down he goes.
A few moments later.
So yeah, splitter and spoiler collected. Now I'm on my way to Dub. What I was saying about like getting an ambush or whatnot, I'll tell you one thing. That was the nicest gentleman you could ever meet. Like, offered me tea and coffee even, but I was just like, no mate, got a crack on. So yeah, guys, as promised, we're gonna go straight to, as if like magic, straight to Dub. Like this. Alright, so as you can see, we are down here at Dub Customs. We've got the front splitter. So as you can see, unfortunately, it is not in matte black. It's in a textured sort of texture, if that makes sense. We've got the gloss, the gloss black wrap here. Also, you can see down here, we've got the side skirts. And luckily for me, where these are used, I will clean them up. You can see here, there are already some pre-drilled holes. So I've just got to line it up. Obviously, I'm going to use some 3M tape to stick it to the car, make sure it's all straight before I go drilling straight into the car. Obviously, on here, I can just use the self-tappers to go straight through. And on the front, I'm not too sure yet what I'm going to do, whether I'm going to drill holes and you go through the wheel arch to kind of bolt it in, or whether we're just going to use self-tappers and just plenty of them along the front. Not too sure yet. But yeah, there's so much more mods to do on the car. Let me just quickly take you around there in case you're new to the channel. I've obviously got the gloss black badge that's done by Dub. Going around the side with debadged. You can even see here as well on the wheels, same design. On the back, same design. And on the back here, we've got this M140i badge from Auto ID, which is also in gloss black. But yeah, it's looking the nuts. Quickly going inside. Over here you can see Auto ID, we've got the carbon fibre trim, and down here from Carbon My Ride we've got some lovely carbon fibre bits for the surround and the gear stick itself. But yeah, car's looking alright so far, plenty more mods to come. Once we get the exterior to where we want to get it, then obviously we're going to move more to power, track days, etc, turbos, etc. So proper going to town on this, so definitely stay tuned. But yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, so we're looking at around 18 to 19 centimeters from the floor. Okay, so as you can see here, we've had all the parts cleaned up. I don't know how well you'll be able to see it. I've only cleaned the part that's going to go on the car. This part's obviously going to go underneath the car. But in order for, because this is the textured surface, the wrap will not stick to it, so you're gonna have to use some form of adhesive promoter, so that way when we do stick the wrap on top, it definitely grips. But yeah, we're leaving that to dry for now, and then once that's done, we're gonna get to the fitting. Alright, so as you can see, that has been done already, and guys, it definitely makes a difference. To think that just a little splitter on the side can make a difference is unreal. So that side has been done. Obviously I'm going to clean the car and show you guys at the end, but yeah, we're now going to do the other side, which I don't need to show you. But yeah, went through it with some self tappers. It's solid as hell, so it's not going to go anywhere. You know what time it is. Okay, so as you can see, it has been wrapped. On the underside, we have gone for self tappers. I'm not going to lie to you and hide it, but if we can quickly go underneath, you can see I've fitted quite a few, so it definitely isn't going to come off. Fitted it all the way across, all the way down. I've managed to fit the self tappers. One thing I can say is that the bumper will be coming off in another video, so stay tuned for that, because we're going to be doing some form of mod. Comment in the description if you want, keep this active, whether you think it's going to be, I don't know, the bars, or whether you think I'm going to add mesh, or I don't know. There's quite a few things that can happen while the bumper's off, and I may just use the bolts and the nuts and the wash, because obviously driving at 100 miles an hour, okay, driving at 70 miles an hour, there is going to be some form of downforce. But yeah, let's get the car down.